G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, Bruce Lehrmann has named the Kangaroo Court of Australia website and also other social media users and small websites in his defamation claim against Channel 10 and News Corp. And I think it's really worth noting, especially given a couple of days ago, the Robodebt Royal Commissioner, Catherine Holmes, named Twitter users and other social media users as playing an important role in reporting the Robodebt Royal Commission. And I think being named in the Bruce Lehrmann's defamation case, I think is worth noting because it just shows that the impact that social media users and also small independent news websites like myself are playing in the broader reporting of crimes and alleged crimes. Now, in his statement of claim, Bruce Lehrmann has referenced an article I wrote on the 27th of February 2021, which is titled, "Were Young Women Sexually Assaulted When Bruce Lehrmann, the alleged Parliament House rapist, was an official at the ANU UN conference?" Now, that was on the 27th of February 2021. I'd actually written an article previously on the 19th of February 2021, naming Bruce Lehrmann. I'd also published in that article an email I'd sent the government asking if Bruce Lehrmann was the alleged rapist and their failure to respond. And on the 17th of February that year, True Crimes News Weekly, another website, named him a couple of days before I did. So Bruce Lehrmann has avoided the True Crimes News Weekly article on the 17th of February 2021. He's avoided mine on the 19th of February 2021, and he's gone with an article I published on the 27th of February. And I think there's a reason for that. I don't think he wanted people to know who originally broke the story, which is True Crimes News Weekly. And he didn't want my article with the email in there where I've written to the government asking, okay, is Bruce Lehrmann the alleged Parliament House rapist? And I don't think he wanted them in there because the question you'd be asking in his defamation suit against Channel 10 and News Corp is, well, why didn't he sue True Crimes News Weekly? They named him, and why didn't they sue Kangaroo Court of Australia? And I'd named him as well. And so I think he doesn't want that in there, blurring the issue, and him have to justify why he didn't sue us as well. And the reason he wouldn't want to sue us is because really he has no case. And he's just trying it on against Channel 10 and News Corp, trying to bluff them into settling, handing over some cash, a bit like Christian Porter did. And I was named in his lawsuit against ABC as well, where he named various independent media and also social media users. So it is worth noting that independent media like myself and True Crimes News Weekly and others are holding people to account. There was never any legal reason not to name Bruce Lehrmann. He was under investigation by the police. He was ultimately charged. There's no legal reason not to name him. And the whole media refused to do so for quite a few months, which is very, very disturbing. Anyone else, they'll name him quick as a flash. I've seen him outside a police station saying, oh, so-and-so's in the police station about to be charged with rape or sexual assault or whatever. But for whatever reason, they didn't want to name Bruce Lehrmann. And I think that's a bigger story that'll come out with the inquiry in the ACT in relation to the AFP allegedly involved trying to make sure Bruce Lehrmann wasn't charged in the first place. On that, please make sure you share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. And thank you for your time and have a good day.